In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create hollow outline text in Canva. This effect is perfect perfect if you want your text to stand out without feeling too heavy, and it works really well for thumbnails, posters, social media graphics, and more. First, go ahead and open your design in Canva. This can be any existing project or a brand new design. Once you're inside the editor, look for the text option on the left-hand side of the screen. If you already have some text on your design, simply click directly on that text to select it. You'll know it's selected when you see a box appear around it with little handles on the corners. If you don't have any text yet, add some by choosing a text style from the text panel, like a heading or subheading, and then click on it to place it on your canvas. With your text selected, move your attention to the top toolbar. Here, you'll see options to change the font, size, color, and alignment. Among these options, look for the button labeled Effects. This is where Canva keeps all the special text styles that can change the overall look and feel of your lettering. Go ahead and click on Effects. When you do this, a panel will open, usually on the left or just below the toolbar, showing a variety of styles. Inside the Effects panel, you'll see several text effects like shadow, lift, splice, and others. What we're interested in is the hollow effect. This is the one that turns your solid text into an outline, creating that clean, hollow look. Click on Hollow, and you'll see your text instantly change. The fill of the letters will disappear, and only the outline will remain. Once the hollow effect is applied, you can customize it further. Depending on your version of Canva, you may be able to adjust the thickness of the outline and change its color. Try matching the outline color to another element in your design for a cohesive look, or use a contrasting color to make the text really pop. You can also pair hollow text with a solid text layer underneath to create a cool double layer effect, but the basic hollow style alone already looks very modern and stylish. And that's it. By clicking on your text, opening the effects panel, and choosing hollow, you've created hollow outline text in Canva, ready to use in any design you're working on.